Hello students, in this class we will talk about Millennium Developmental Goals. So, we also have Sustainable Developmental Goals. So, don't be confused within these things. Okay, Millennium Developmental Goals started on 2000 year. Okay, so year 2000 is a millennium. That is why on that year, UNO, United Nations Organizations, started the goal of Millennium Developmental Goals, which has to be completed by 2015. Okay, that was the actual goal on that year. Okay, so we have 8 Millennium Developmental Goals, like eradicating extreme poverty and hunger. Okay, so that is one of the important thing. Then after achieving universal primary education. Okay, then after promote gender equality and empower women, reduce child mortality. Okay, and then after improve maternal health. Okay, reducing child mortality and improving maternal health, both are related to each other. Okay, that like also you can remember. Then after we have eradicating malaria and other deadly diseases. Okay, so that is one thing. And ensure environmental sustainability, and eighth goal is a global partnership for development. So goal number 7th and 8th are related to each other, and goal number 4, 5, 6 are related to health. Okay, and goal number 1, 2 and 3 are a general type of goals. Okay, so by eradicating poverty you can achieve education also, like we have midday meals. Okay, so because of midday meals many students are coming to schools also in many areas of India. Okay, so like that we are also achieving primary education by eradicating hunger. And in that students there are so many girl students also, so we are also getting equality in education of women also. Okay, so like that we can relate one goal to each other like this. For example, we can take some examples and remember it. Okay, then after we have reduce child mortality. By reducing to reduce child mortality we have to concentrate on the improvement of maternal health. Okay, so this then after we have eradicating malaria and other deadly diseases. So these three things are related to health. Okay, and 7 and 8 are the topics which are related to global development. To for global development we have to ensure environmental sustainability, then only we can have development. Okay, for this we need to have a global partnership for development. Okay, so goal number 7 and 8 are related to each other, which are universal. Okay, then after we have some important points to understand, that the United Nations Millennium Developmental Goals are 8 goals set by 189 UN member states in September 2000. Okay, and agreed to achieved by year 2015. The MGD are derived from this declaration, but anyhow even on 2015 we are not able to achieve it completely. Okay, so that is one thing you have to understand. Now there is a also we have sustainable developmental goals in UN, so don't get confused between sustainable developmental goals and this millennium developmental goals. Okay, so that is different thing. Okay, so that thing you have to understand now. Okay, so how you can understand these goals, that you can relate it by each other. You can make some categories. Okay, like general type of goals are 1, 2, 3, and then after we have health related category, that is 4, 5, 6. Then after we have universal topics like sustainable development and global partnership for development. That is 7 and 8 are the universal category goals. Okay, so you can try to remember this like this. In examination they can ask some questions like which of the following is related to um, millennium developmental goals. They will give you 3 wrong answers and 1 correct option. Okay, so they will give some options like that, so you have to choose that which is the millennium developmental goal and which is not. Okay, or they can also give some options like there will be 3 developmental goals and 1 will be from another uh, goal, but you have to select 3 correct goals. Okay, so question can be like they will try to confuse you, but you have to understand these things. Okay, thank you students.